everybody, welcome to my channel. So this is gonna be my new one. So I do have a previous one, it's called Tenji Outdoor Life, but it's not going so well, so this is my new account. So yeah, today we'll be fishing at New Malone. So it's a pretty big lake, so let's see if there's gonna be fish out here or not. So yeah, stay tuned guys. Alright, so I guess it's right here it doesn't work out and I'm gonna have to move on now. So stay tuned guys. Alright, I'll be fishing on this spot now. See if there's any fish. I'll be going for bass or anything's out here that is gonna come get my lure, so yeah. Yeah, I know. Let's go. Let's go. Got one. Yep, let's go. Yeah, it's pretty well. This one's okay size. Come on, come up. Oh, no. I'll get you out. Alright, got a little guy. It's a pretty good size too, but I'm just gonna let it go. A little bit still too small. There you go, buddy. Free you go. Yeah, so the water right here is like really deep, so had to sink it all the way to the bottom more. So yeah, that's just how it works for bass. So right now let's see if I'm gonna get my second one or not. Yeah, it's just a small bass. wandering, so it'll sink to the bottom like faster. But let's see if I'm gonna get my second one. Oh, missed it. Sinkles? Yeah. Oh, you can take it. You took it. There you. Oh my God, dude, I missed it again. Ah, you let it go. Dang it. You just got a hit? It's fine, just keep going. Oh, I just got a hit. Oh no, it's too shallow. I want to use a little bit heavier weight, but I don't want to do that too. Since I'm using fluorocarbon, then it's gonna sink way too fast. I might get snagged in the bottom too. See how it goes. Oh, I just got a hit. Oh my God, dude! He took it already. Dang it, I lost that one. Ooh, the fish jumped right there, huh? I had no idea what it was. Alright, I guess it's nothing's biting, so matter of wait and see how it goes. Fish is coming closer now. Just saw it jump just now. Earlier it was just like jump just like right there only. Ooh. Oh no, I think just hitting the bottom. Yeah, I just hitting the bottom. Yeah, this rod is too soft that I can't really tell no more. This is an extra ultra light, so it's super sensitive. And the tip's like so flimsy too. Yeah, sorry I had to repeat that, but just had to say it. That's gonna happen if I cast like that. I don't know, you guys can hear that, man, but all the fish is jumping. But I doubt it's a carp for sure. You guys see that? All the baits are right there. Right now the sun is going down too. Yep, I guess the wind's dying down. See if the fish is gonna come in or not. Oh, that's a carp. Yeah, all of these are shad. The Trout on your shad, huh? There's hella shads everywhere.